Friends, the retinopathy, diabetic retinopathy is another complication, one of the dreaded complication of diabetes. What is retina? I will be forwarding the picture of the eyeball and also retinopathy. What is the normal retina? That means through the the cornea and then the lens, the light rays will fall on the retina. That is the backside of the eyeball. That is the portion. Just it is like eyeball it is compared to a camera. So the light rays will fall on the retina, and then the retina, from the retina, the impulses, the message will reach the brain, and we are going to interpret. For example, I am sitting in front of the this camera, and also the computer is there. So all this, the light rays will fall through the pupil. Pupil is the hole. This cornea is a transparent membrane. Cornea is the transparent membrane, and then the iris is the just like the camera where we adjust the lens. So the light rays will pass through the cornea, through the pupil of the iris muscle, and then it will fall on the retina, and then we are going to interpret through the when the light rays when it will reach, and it will be interpreted in the brain. Now in see, the blood will flow through the retina also. Blood circulation will be there in the retina also. Otherwise, how can the retina function? All cells of the body, for its function, it requires some fuel. What is that fuel? Just like petrol to the car. So the blood flows through the retina, and if the blood glucose, if it is more, again and again I am repeating, fasting should not be more than 126. Postprandial should not be more than 180. When the blood glucose, if it is more, and that blood glucose, when it is passing through the retinal vessels, then the retinal blood vessel will damage. There are 4 stages of the retinopathy. Stage 1, that is mild, and then stage 2, moderate, stage 3, severe, and then the stage 4 is proliferative. The blood vessel, retinal blood vessel, will be damaged, and there will be, sometimes it will rupture. There will be oozing of the fluid into the retina. As a result of that, the patient will develop the complication. They cannot see, and it is not comparable to cataract. See, in the cataract, it is a slow process, and then the eye specialist will remove the diseased cataract, and then replace with the intraocular lens. So that is a very simple procedure that they will finish it off within 5 minutes. And whereas the retina, when it is and then how to diagnose that the patient has developed, what are the different stages that the patient has developed retinopathy? The fluorescent dye will be injected into the arm by the eye specialist, and then it will flow to the blood vessels in the retina, and then they take the photo to know that what is the stage of the retinopathy, and then they decide the treatment, laser treatment, and the detail, I will not go into the detailed process of the treatment, detailed information about the treatment, that is left to the eye specialist. Now, if the blood glucose, if it is properly maintained with the help of the diet, exercise, diet plus exercise plus drugs, diet plus exercise plus drugs plus insulin, like that, depending on the C-reactive protein, C-reactive, that I have informed. I will inform in some other session. So please see that your blood sugar is very well maintained, so that you will not develop the complications such as retinopathy. Thank you. Please pass on the information to others.